Welcome to Bavaria, the BMW Dingolfing plant. 2.8 million square meters of automotive magic. Watch luxury being born. This is where the all-electric BMW i7 comes to life. The ultimate luxury limousine. Look at this scale. If you love groundbreaking engineering, hit that subscribe button. The i7 build is something else. The massive steel coil is down.
Move it forward a little bit.
Perfect. Activate the press. The CLR platform demands a mixed metal construction. High-strength steel, aluminum, even titanium. These massive stamping presses, thousands of tons of force, punch out body panels in seconds. Watch the power. Every panel for the i7's sleek silhouette starts here. From flat metal to three-dimensional sculpture. The front-end structural module, FE-SUM, is predominantly aluminum. Strength meets lightweight design. Over 2,500 different pressed parts are produced here. Every piece has a purpose. Every gram matters. These panels will become the i7's body, a perfect blend of steel, aluminum, and targeted carbon elements. Watch the precision. Every panel is measured, every edge inspected. Zero defects, zero compromises. The press shop runs 24/7, thousands of panels per day, each one destined for a $120,000 luxury sedan. BMW invested over 300 million euros to ready this plant for the new 7 Series. Look at what that buys. Every steel and aluminum scrap is recycled. About 70% becomes new raw material. Sustainable luxury. The stamped panels are ready. Now watch them travel to the body shop. The real magic is about to start. Watch these robotic arms position and weld the chassis components. Micron-level precision. The i7's body combines steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber reinforced plastic, a multi-material masterpiece. Laser welding, milliseconds per weld, 30% stronger than traditional techniques. The automation rate here exceeds 95%. Robots do the heavy lifting, literally. Watch the side frames being attached, thousands of spot welds, each one perfect. The body stiffens. The i7's body is incredibly rigid. That means better handling, less noise, more luxury. AI-powered 3D laser scanners inspect every body shell. Over 1,000 gaps and seams measured. Every weld is thermally imaged. The AI flags potential issues in real time. Zero defects. The doors, hood, and trunk are fitted. The i7's iconic silhouette finally emerges. This is a body that can support a combustion engine, a plug-in hybrid, or a full EV powertrain. The same production line builds the 5 Series, 8 Series, iX, and i7. 100% flexible. Every 60 seconds, a car rolls off this line. That's over 1,500 vehicles per day. The bare body shell is complete. Now it's time for the alchemy, the paint shop. The body is dipped in an e-coat bath, corrosion protection that lasts a lifetime. Watch the body emerge from the e-coat, a protective layer bonded at the molecular level. The i7 offers over 500 exterior paint colors. Your i7, your color, your statement. BMW's dual finish paint process, matte and high gloss on the same body. An industry first. This paint process took 2.5 years to develop. 20 specialists trained for 12 Corso. Each i7 spends 4,500 minutes in the paint shop. That's over 3 days of transformation. Over 2,000 minutes of that is handwork. Skilled craftsmen creating art on wheels. The two-tone paint, half gloss, half matte, separated by a hand-painted pinstripe. Experience the BMW i7's. Watch the clear coat being applied. That deep, wet shine. That's the BMW signature. The painted bodies are baked at high temperatures. The paint cures to a diamond-hard finish. Every painted body is inspected under intense light. Imperfections are not tolerated. The i7's crystal-clear paint is flawless. Your luxury sedan deserves nothing less. Now the painted body enters final assembly. This is where the i7 truly comes alive. Precision and craftsmanship meet the efficiency of advanced AI. A new era of automotive luxury. AI inspects the leather. 3D sewing robots stitch the cockpit. Precision meets luxury. The BMW i7 interior. Cashmere, merino leather, Veganza vegan options. You choose. Nearly 700 interior material and equipment combinations. Your i7 is truly unique. Watch the massive 31-inch theater screen being installed in the rear headliner. The luxury BMW i7 entertainment system, the BMW panoramic xDrive display. A curved glass masterpiece. The future of driving. The seamless integration of luxury and technology. Swarovski crystal accents catch the light. This isn't a car, it's a rolling penthouse. The i7's interior is a sanctuary. Noise-canceling, climate-controlled, pure indulgence. Dashboard, center console, door panels, all coming together. The cockpit is alive. BMW uses recycled materials throughout the i7 interior. Sustainability meets luxury. The wood trim. Real wood, hand-selected. Each piece is unique to your car. The interior is complete. Now watch the i7 receive its heart, the electric drive system. BMW builds the i7's electric drive components in-house at the Competence Center. This facility can produce components for over 500,000 electric cars per year. The electric drive unit is highly integrated. Motor, inverter, and transmission in one. The i7 xDrive 60 produces 536 horsepower and 549 pound-feet of instant torque. Watch the front and rear electric motors being married to the subframes. The high-voltage battery arrives, ready for assembly. With 4695 cylindrical cells inside. 6th-generation battery technology. 20% higher energy density than before. The i7's battery sits flat under the floor. Ultra-thin, just 110 millimeters high. 101.7 kilowatt-hours of usable capacity. Up to 727 kilometers of range. Watch the battery being bolted into the vehicle floor. It's the structural heart of the i7. 800-volt architecture enables ultra-fast charging. 10 to 80% in 28 minutes. Senken Sie es langsam?
Ja,
Etwas nach links.
jetzt ist es perfekt.
Festziehen. Rear subframe goes in next. Dual motor all-wheel drive for incredible traction. Watch the C-lunk, the exact moment the chassis marries the body. Pure drama. The i7 is now a complete rolling chassis. Electric motors, battery, suspension, all in place. High-voltage cables snake through the chassis. Every connection is torque spec precise. Cooling systems for the battery and motors are installed. Thermal management is critical. The i7's regenerative braking system is connected. Every stop charges the battery. The chassis is complete. Now watch the final dress. Wheels, glass, and all the details. Massive 21-inch wheels for the M Performance models. Staggered fitment for maximum grip. The windshield is robotically placed and bonded. Acoustic glass for a silent cabin. Side windows, rear window. Every piece of glass is laser measured for perfect fit. Headlights, laser, and LED are installed. The i7's distinctive face emerges. The rear light bar, a continuous strip of LEDs, is mounted. BMW's signature night look. Bumpers, front and rear, clip into place, designed for easy fitment and replacement. The i7's aerodynamic underbody panels are fitted. Every detail for maximum range. Brake fluid, coolant, refrigerant, all the essential liquids are filled. The i7 is now physically complete. Every component in place. Time for the soul. The BMW i7 drives itself off the assembly line. No driver needed. Fully automated. Watch the i7 navigate through the factory, piloting itself to the test area. The first stop? The dyno. Every i7 is run at full speed to test the powertrain. 536 horsepower unleashed on the dyno. The electric motors scream silently. Brake testing, acceleration testing, regeneration testing, every system validated. The i7 passes every test. Now it moves to the light tunnel, the final inspection. Every body panel is inspected. Every gap, every seam, measured to the millimeter. The paint is checked under specialized lighting. Flawless, or it doesn't leave. Every stitch.
Every surface.
Every surface. Every screen. The i7 is connected to a diagnostic system. Every electronic system is verified. The audio system, Bowers & Wilkins Diamond, is tuned. Concert hall on wheels. Every i7 undergoes a road test simulation. Suspension, steering, brakes, all perfect. The autonomous driving systems are calibrated. The i7 sees everything around it. The i7 is now certified, quality assured, ready for the most important moment. Watch the i7 drive through the tunnel to the holding area, heading to its new owner. The holding area. Thousands of BMWs waiting for shipment. Your i7 is among them. Over 1,500 vehicles leave this factory every day. The i7 is the crown jewel. This factory has built over 2 million 7 Series sedans. The i7 continues the legacy. For 45 years, the 7 Series defined luxury. The i7 is the most advanced expression of that legacy yet. Your BMW i7, built with cutting-edge automation and handcrafted luxury. Over 300 million euros invested. Thousands of workers. Millions of hours. Every i7 takes over 4,500 minutes to build. The most comprehensive model update ever. From raw metal to luxury limousine, the i7 is ready to conquer the world. The BMW i7, the future of luxury mobility. And it's built right here in Bavaria. Zero emissions, zero compromise, 727 kilometers of electric range. Pure BMW. You've seen the i7 born, from stamping to assembly to testing. Unbelievable journey. This is what 300 million euros of innovation looks like. This is the BMW i7, the most advanced luxury sedan ever built. And you witnessed every step. Dingolfing, the heart of BMW's luxury production. The i7 is its greatest creation. Sustainable manufacturing, uncompromising quality. The i7 is the future. If this video blew your mind, hit that like button. Share the i7's incredible story. Comment below, would you take the i7 over a traditional V8? Let us know. Thanks for watching the BMW i7 come to life. Subscribe for more factory tours.